Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 30th, 2024. We're going to talk about this one particular stock right here for maximum profit. It's time to get paid. This stock is Tapestry. Yes, TPR is the ticker symbol. I want to talk to you all about it because I've noticed on the 3 month price time frame that the market definitely is bullish and it may potentially break out. All right, so we're going to talk about that, and then we're going to go through our simulated portfolio because it's been a while and I don't want you all to think I forgot about it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it real on this channel. We're going to keep track of the performance of the stocks that we pick here to show you that it's not a fluke. So now check us out. Hit the like button and also subscribe for more of this content. Now let's go ahead and start out with the 3 months because we have 8 hours and 41 minutes left on this particular stock for Tapestry before the 3 months price bar ends. And take a look at this. Okay, let's break this down. Let's investigate this situation. Okay, you guys can see whenever weakness comes into the market in Tapestry, the next price bar, what happens? It goes up. What about this 3 months price bar? What happened the next 3 months? It went up. That's a massive clue to tell you that, hey, somebody is not trying to let this stock go down. Somebody said, look, back in 2022 all the way until October 2023, they bought the stock because they did not allow the market to go lower. It's real simple. This is a buying opportunity. What about this current 3 month price bar, which we have 8 hours and 40 minutes left? Again, the charts don't lie. This is bullish. The prior 3 months on this one, the one that started on January the 2nd, 2024, was also bullish. But there's still something that is stopping this market from breaking out. And I will address that because that will be the only thing that will go against this prediction of looking for a Tapestry to go up. We're already at that crossroads right now. So if we don't see price in Tapestry go up, it's because there's something stopping the market from going up. And the only thing that can be is selling. That's the only thing. And the market in Tapestry has tried numerous times, going all the way back to 2021, trying to get this stock to break out. So that's one thing that we need to be cautious about. So we're going to make sure we draw that on our chart then. Okay. So if we don't see the market in Tapestry go up, hey, we're not going to be caught by surprise. We know where the sellers are at. So when it doesn't go up, we can just simply say, it didn't work out. Here it is on the 6 months. Look at Tapestry on the monthly chart. We have 8 hours and 39 minutes left. You guys can see already on our software, something is being triggered. Okay. What about on the 5 weeks? You can see also, again, something is being triggered off of our software. Here it is on the 3 weeks. What did we have here? A push to go up bar, meaning that the market is trying to move, not down, it's trying to go up. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay. So I'm looking for this stock to continue to go up. We're going to create this buy zone here and we're going to add it, okay, to our simulated portfolio. Okay. Now, we need to talk about this sell zone though, because I want us to be prepared just in case the market in Tapestry does not break this particular sell zone. At least we could take something off the table. So we need to take some off the table in the market in Tapestry as it comes to this zone. All right. So let's go ahead and put this on. Let's watch this on the weekly chart. Okay, we're going to keep track of this stock on the weekly time frame. So at the low of this sell zone, take some off the table, 6% there. At the high, 13.5%. Okay, those will be our first two targets there. Let's look back at the 3 months to get a bigger target. And it will take us over here. Okay, so let me create this other sell zone. look like the market could potentially, I don't know how long it's going to take, run to 60 bucks. Okay. So that's it right there. We'll keep that on the weekly chart though. And we're going to add it to the portfolio for September. You guys see we only got 3 stocks that we picked for September. The ticker symbol is TPR, Tapestry. Price $47.82. Okay. Now let's go back to the other ones that we still have. Okay, so these are our other stocks that's in our portfolio. Okay, so let's go to Alibaba. And look what happened. Market hit our ultimate TP price on or around September 23rd. If we were to get out the market now on the close, that's 34.5%. I think we need to close this one out. So let's do that. Sell date would be today. Price is 107.27. That's 34.5% gain there. So let's get all this out the way. Let's move on to the next one. GDX. Okay, the market hit our first sell zone. Did you guys take some off the table there? Because you were supposed to. Because we knew what would happen when the market and GDX hit that area. That was about 10% there. So we're not going to change it yet. We'll keep a lookout on it. NLY. Same thing here. Market's hitting the sell zone. We'll come back and see what's going on with it later. AGNC. Same thing there. You guys can see it hit our sell zone. Again, got to be cautious. Let's look at USB. Nothing to see here. The market's just trading around the sell zone, which literally tells us that these buyers are working at taking the sellers out. Let's look at Royalty Pharma. Okay, same thing here. Market is still chugging along. So let me just extend that over just a little bit. Let's look at Franken Electric, FELE. Again, market hit our sell zone twice. Again, like, I don't know what you want to do. When the market gives you all this opportunity to come and take some off the table, you might need to do it. So hopefully you did that over the last week. We're not going to change it just yet. We're going to continue to keep this in our portfolio. Market still looks pretty bullish. Let's go ahead and look at VeriSign. Oops, fix that. So here's VeriSign, finally getting some profit again. Market hit a high right on this weekly price bar. So again, we'll see what's going on with the market there. Let's go ahead and look at Pfizer. Nothing too much here. Let's look at Pepsi. Same thing with Pepsi. There was a couple of weeks to where we were sitting in profit. We'll keep our eye open on it though, see what happens. Let's look at Enphase. So here's Enphase again. A lot of opportunity to where we were able to at least grab something out the market. I don't like how these price bars look. I do admit that. It needs to be a little bit more bullish, and currently it's not being that bullish. But we'll hold it. Okay. Let's look at the stocks in August. We have Zillow. Market already hit our ultimate TP price. You guys can see right here. So if we were to get out the market now, we're going to go ahead and close this one out too. Sell date would be today. Sell price $65.10. About 19% right there. So we could get all this out the way, clean it up. If it presents another opportunity, then we'll add it back to the simulated portfolio. Let's go ahead and look at Shopify real quick. So again, the market here in Shopify is hitting our sell zone. Did you take some off? Not a surprise. Not a surprise to see the market get rejected at this sell zone. We're not going to change it just yet, but we'll keep an eye on it. So let's look at Deer. Look at Deer. Fantastic move right now. We're not going to change it yet, but I wouldn't, you see this must move. Take some of this off the table. That's 10.5% right there. Matter of fact, we might just do that now. So let's do that now. We'll take this off the table. So the sell date would be 9/30. Sell price 417. I said 10.31% right there. So let's get rid of that. We'll take that. Even though the market is still bullish, we'll still take that though. And then let's look at September. We have Clorox. Clorox had a pretty good run. Hit the sell zone. Market exhibited selling. We might need to take this off too. We'll see how it trades this week though. Here it is, Adobe. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I don't like this stock at all. We might need to get rid of this. It is not boding well for us. Yeah, let's go ahead and take this one off for Adobe. Let's get rid of it. Sell price 514.69. 8% loss there. All right, so that is it. Once we get more ideas, more stocks, a little bullish, we'll add it to this portfolio for the month of October. But that's it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.